cannot do this without adult supervision. Okay, so for this post, we're gonna need gloves and a face mask, and I will explain why. Okay guys, so we bought a lot of these. It is the Town Talk Silver Sparkle. This is highly toxic, so please keep this away from children's reach, and even mark your bottles. So what I'm gonna do is put them in this jar. You can see that I already have bought more so that I'd be able to clean my Elsa Peretti bone cuff from Tiffany, because Tiffany now charges for restoration of their silver jewelry. My SA told me that they start at 1,300 pesos per silver piece. So let's see if it's gonna fit inside. Yeah, there you go. It's Elsa Peretti. There you go, Tiffany Elsa Peretti. So what we're gonna do is transfer these into this glass bottle because I don't want to keep them in these little plastic jars. So use the gloves. I'll show you later. Okay, so what we were able to do is open this up, and yeah, it smells nasty, and we are carefully pouring that in. Okay, I think this second bottle will do it. And yeah, I think we're good. What am I gonna do with 3 more? So what I did is use this dental floss and this rubber band, and we're gonna put this around so that we'd be able to pull it out a little later. You can see that this bracelet bone cuff is really tarnished, and we will see. I hope it fits. Oh no, it's not. Maybe this way, okay. There you go. Shake it a bit. The color is changing. Okay guys, so I think we did a very good job at it. So I'm wearing my glasses back again because I wanted to be careful. Oh, sorry. But here it is. So what do you think? It's really shiny. One thing I observed though is that they clean this at the Tiffany store or the Tiffany shops. They also polish. They try to remove the tarnishing with the chemical, I think. I smelled it when I was there. So I know that they use the chemical, but they also use a silver polishers. That's the one thing that I don't have right now, but I think we did a pretty good job. So yeah, I rinsed this and I washed this with soap and water. There's a little bit of yellowish tinge. Maybe next time I'll soak it a little longer, just a tiny bit. It's not advisable to soak it for too long. So I think I'm ready to rock this Elsa Peretti bone cuff. So what do you think? Did we beat Tiffany? Did we beat LVMH? Let me know. Bye!